Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another interview question asked by Meta, and as you can see, it is labeled as hard level. So I'm not sure you find it hard or medium level, but yeah, it is asked by Meta. So we'll try to solve this question. So the question was compare the total number of comments made by users in each country between December 2019 and January 2020. For each month, rank countries by total comments using dense ranking. That means we have to avoid the gaps as is mentioned here also in descending order, then return the name of the country whose rank improved from December to January. So basically, we have to show those countries who got more comments by the active users compared to 2019. So we have to just focus on that particular part. Okay, so we have two tables, FB comments count, FB active users. So comments count has created at, I mean that's a date, number of comments and user ID, and active user has country, name, status and user ID. So we have user ID as a common column. Okay, so how I'll approach this? So first, because we have to compare the comments between 2019 December 2019 and January 2020, that means just a 1 month gap, so we have to compare that particular thing. So I'll find total comments in 2019 December and 2020 January, and then I'll try to assign them rank and compare. So let's start. So for I'll start with this. Select, we have to show countries. So country is available in FP active user, so I'll label it u dot country, and now I'll use case statement. So case when, and because we have date, so that means a day wise date for first December, second December, third December, like this. But I don't want that. I want the whole month data together. I don't want to distribute the data into days. So for that, I'll extract only month and year part. So I'll use the function date part, sorry, date format. Because I'm using MySQL, so I'm using date format, and the column will be created at, so label this is c dot created at, and how, what I want year and month. So this is how I will extract this. And when date for, that means I'll extract data for 2019 December. So this will look like this. So equals to 2019 12, then number of comments, c dot number of number of comments number of comments, else 0. I don't want any other data. And now we have multiple data, as I mentioned that the data is separated in date format. So we have multiple rows. So I'll sum it, all the find the total. So for this I leave here sum, and as comments 2019, I'll label this, and I'll do same for January 2020. So I'll copy it and paste it here. And now here year will be 2020 and month will be January, and here also I'll use 20. Everything else is correct. So yeah, now use the table. So from FB comment count, I'll copy this table from here. C, and I'll do inner join. I want only the matching data in terms of active users. That this table has all the active users, so I need only comments from the active user. So I'll do this. So inner join this table u on c dot user id equals u dot user id group by first. And if I run this is how our data should be look like. Is there an error on C user ID? There is, oh, okay, one error here. No, there should not be an error. C, that would be C. uh, u dot country. You have an error 6. Yeah, got it. I just mentioned join, not inner. Yeah, sorry, I just mentioned inner, not join. My bad. So if I run this, yeah. So now we have data for every. This is the country column. For every country, we have data for comments in 2019 and comments in 2020. Okay, and now we have to compare for which country number of comments increased. That means improved from 2019 to 2020. So, so first I will save this in CTE to further use. So I will with comments as, yeah, and now I'll rank them so it will be get easier to compare. So select country dense rank as it mentioned, so we have to use dense rank over order by comment 19. So I will comment 2019 DESC as RN19, and I'll do same for 2020. I'll explain what I'm doing. Okay, and here 20, then here 20 from comments. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm trying to give the rank for comments in 2019 and comments in 2020 for each country, and try to see that how that is going on. I mean, it will be easier to compare. Let's say for USA in 2019, the comments, total number of comments or something, let's say, yeah, there is 11, and it got ranked, overall ranked 5. So for me the improvement will be, if it got less than ranking less than 5, let's say 4, 3, 2, or 1 in 2020, that means there is an improvement. So that is what I want to compare. So that's why I am trying to rank them both and then compare. So if I run this now, so you can see that Mali, the country, in 2019, based on the total comments, they had second ranked, but in 2020 they got first rank. That means the improvement has been done here. For USA, they were in first rank in 2019, but now they have second rank. So there is no improvement, right? So this is what I want to check. So we have gotten the ranks. So now all I have to do is try to apply a filter based on comment comparison and extract the country information. So I'll save it as in it in a city again, and I will name is ranks as. Okay, so now final query, select country. I need only need country as an output. So country from ranks where, sorry, where RN20 is less than RN19. That is quite understandable, right? I mean, if the in 2020 rank got lower, that means there is an improvement. The lower the lower rank means, I mean, not in terms of positioning, I mean in terms of number. If it was in second position for Mali in 2019 and now first, that means rank has improved. So that is what I want to compare, right? So if I run this, I should have the country name. So this is Mali. Why? Because there's only one country for which the ranking has been improved in 2020 compared to 2019. So we have Mali as a country. So if I compare, check my solution, so yeah, it is correct because it comes in this blue shade. If it's wrong, it will be comes in the red. So yeah, it's the right answer. So this is what we had to do. So it was quite easier to do, not that hard if we follow all the basics. So we had what we have done. We extracted total comments for December 2019 and January 2022, 2020 for every country. Then we assign rank for each month year comments, and then finally we compare the ranks and extracted the output. So this is what the solution for this question. I hope you liked it, and please try to practice it. It's a free platform, Scratch as Strata Sketch. Although you cannot check solution for every question because there you have to take premium. But if you don't want to take premium, it's still fine. You can practice as many questions as you want, Microsoft and other companies. So you can practice it from here, and I'll come with next interview question or any other topic in next video. Till then, please like the video, subscribe the channel,